out from you. 40 belongs to shareholders, and spontaneously the colleague said, right, 40 belongs, out of that 15 was given. So thank you for investing in my company, take your dividend warrant. Thank you for investing in my company, keep your dividend warrant. So that profits are distributed. Jiju sir. Jibu sir. The balance 25, sir, 40, very simple question, that so he'll just knock it off. 40 belongs to shareholder, out of which 15 was distributed. Balance 25 belongs to whom? Okay, so you're going to pull me into a discussion. Okay, and business belongs to whom? Right? No, you can say business. That means that 25 belongs to 40 itself belongs to shareholders. Out of that, 15 was given back. Balance 25 anyway belongs to shareholders. Thank you. That means, thank you, sir. The answer will come from you all. This 25 is going to be reinvested back into the business. Out of the PAT that you make, part is given as dividends. Thank you. Balance 25, which belongs to the shareholders, is known as earnings reinvested. I have to answer two questions. The first question itself will come from, answer will come from you. Venkat sir, it will be very prompt. Thank you, sir. Right. Namita, what does the word surplus mean? English. I am not into finance. English. The excess money that remains after payment of dividends is your surplus. That 25 is your surplus. Thank you, ma'am. That's your answer. This 25, that's finance for you. This 25, which is reinvesting, now how will your balance sheet come? Your balance sheet would look like this. 90 plus 10 plus 25, your net worth has gone up to 125. What does this word surplus mean? Thank you again. Surplus means extra. Surplus means over and above. Surplus means excess. The excess money that remains after payment of dividend is plowed back, and moment it is plowed back, net worth increases. One last question remaining. Why do you have a concept of face value? Let me give you an answer. Because dividends are paid on face value. That's all. That dividend of 15 that you announced, on what basis? Right? What basis is this dividend paid? This dividend is paid at, I'm sure I'll have some more papers. Dividend is always, why do you have a concept known as dividend? ये सब क्या करना है? जरूरी है. Because dividends are always paid on face value. So let's recap the concept, and then I want to take questions, right? All right. First thing, please understand, I'm going to repeat this, and then I want to take questions. Always a pleasure. Point number one, shareholders' funds in the business. Shareholders' funds in the business is equity, which is now you'll also call it net worth. You may call it, sir, as net owned funds. What is net worth or net owned funds? It is issued capital plus reserves and surplus. Thank you for the response. Issued capital is number of shares into face value. Why do you have a concept of face value? Because dividends are announced on face value. Otherwise, you don't need this concept at all. Companies normally charge a premium on face value. Where is that reflected? That will be reflected in premium reserves. Now you also need to have that there is a word known as surplus. Surplus means extra. Extra what? The money that remains after payment of dividends, that extra money is reinvested into business. So if you look at shareholders' funds, a shareholders' funds is issued capital plus reserves and surplus. And now I want to end this discussion and take questions by only saying something. Blue chip companies are those companies which over a period of time, its net worth goes on increasing by way of accumulated surplus. Let us give examples. One is your company, sir. One is your company. Let me give some more examples. All right, Nestle, Colgate, Mahindras, each Infosys, you will name it now, your own company. How do I know, is it a blue chip? How do you analyze it? A blue chip, a अच्छा company hai ki nahi? You will see that its net worth keeps on increasing by way of surplus. Company PAT bhi अच्छा बना रहा है, dividend भी दे रहा है, and balance it is giving on, putting back into the company is steadying, which gives me an opportunity to introduce you to one more jargon, one last jargon, right, which is known as, and not supposed to cover it, but we have covered substantially, so let's finish it off. There is one more that if you want, one more jargon that you can call, sir, which is known as book value. And what is book value? Book value is nothing but net worth divided by number of shares. Book value is nothing but net worth divided by number of shares. Can we do a simple calculation here? Right? Net worth is 125 divided by 1 lakh. Book value is 125. A blue chip company is a company whose book value will keep on increasing because of, now you are finishing it, thank you, because of surplus. One sec, sir. Concept, now I said, some sir, I'm sure it's going to be an advanced question. Anybody wants me to repeat this? I've finished. Net worth, face value, right, dividend, because any repetition, now I'll start taking questions. Any repetition, colleagues.
Sir, can you also say
please.
Surplus is PAT minus dividends?
Okay. ठीक है बोलो आई डोंट माइंड हाँ मजा आ रहा है आई एम स्माइलिंग बिकॉज मेरा ही गोली लेके मेरे को ही गोली करेगा सर एग्रीड दैट करो ना सर राइट दैट आई एम स्माइलिंग सर आई एम सो हैप्पी यू गेटिंग इट सर अदरवाइज यू नेवर स्पीक लाइक दिस आई एम सो हैप्पी ब्रिलियंट आई थॉट यू गोइंग टू आस्क मी टू रिपीट थैंक यू लेट्स स्टार्ट क्वेश्चंस यस सर
share at a premium.
Yes.
Okay, face value.
Yes.
Is it because it is a provision for this? Like
No.
For example,
हाँ
suppose a company is not doing well, it's bankrupt,
हाँ
and they want to pay the shareholders.
हाँ
So it will be taken on 10.
always. Yeah. When a company goes bankrupt, the shareholders don't get anything. Gone. That's why it is known as high risk, high return. But your question, I understand where you're coming from. You ask very intelligent questions. Why does a company charge premium? Let's put it other way around. Why do investors pay premium? Right? Let me tell you, investors pay premium because I'm smiling because sir, you are very blunt. Right? Reliance Power, 430 rupees. मैं जानबूझ के मैं नंबर चेंज कर रहा हूँ 430 रुपीज इशू प्राइस किया 10 रुपीज का शेयर मैं जानबूझ के नंबर चेंज कर रहा हूँ यू अंडरस्टैंड व्हाई आई एम डूइंग इट कितना आया प्रीमियम 430 इशू प्राइस फेस वैल्यू 10 नाउ यू अंडरस्टैंड व्हाई आई चेंज नंबर्स व्हाई डिड पीपल पे 430 रुपीज क्या था लेट मी आस्क यू क्वेश्चन इट वाज परसेप्शन पीपल केप्ट सेइंग परसेप्शन ये काम करेगा ऑन लिस्टिंग ये 600 में खुलेगा राइट That is beautiful. It's based on demand and supply. On what the company is ready to give its shares and what the investors are ready to pay for it. And sir, आपका फरीजी आपका मन में यही question आएगा on what basis did he charge 430? I am very clear. Right. Marketing. Perfect. How perception. And can I say something? Many people say it is because of the name. Wrong. How name? His name is Anil Ambani. My name is Anil Menon. I don't think anybody will give me, right, 40,000 crores here. It was because of the surname. Right. Everybody in the market, right, sir, ये सब छोटा चीज है. Everybody in the market said, we have never lost money on Reliance. धीरूभाई ने इतना संभाला है. धीरूभाई का लड़का है संभालेगा. I'm not, now उसके आगे I don't want to say negative. Loss of faith एक ही बार होता है. उसके बाद आज तक देखिए he has been filing, I should not be saying this, right, he has been filing prospectus not coming to the market. नहीं तो market कितना भी नीचे होगा तो भी if it would have been Dhirubhai's time, he would come, people would flock to buy the shares because it's about a perception. And very nice question which I want to say, SEBI does not influence premiums. Sudhir's question was beautiful. SEBI says whatever people are ready to pay, you are ready to charge. As long as information is given. And I can tell you one thing, markets may don't only apply logic, market is logic plus perception. And this you have to always keep it in mind. And that is why, right, a dear colleague called it as speculation. Wonderful. Did I see one more hand up? Yeah.
Would I be right in assuming that the reserve in this example
Yes.
is 90 and surplus is 25?
Yeah. Yes. Right, reserve is 90 and this is 25, absolutely. And can I also be, Rohan, this is a repetition, good. It is 90, call it premium reserves. Right? Let's get it specific. Yes. Yeah, absolutely. आपने बोला, I smiled also. Share premium account. Yeah. Yeah, Anuj ji, बोलिए ना. Lakshman sir, one sec. Let me help this young man.
There is no cap for this premium. No. I mean, you can fix it up for anything.
आप एकदम दुखी होके बोल रहे हो. Yes. Right.
Second thing is this.
No, he's right.
Above what is already prevailing.
Right. अगर आपका already share listed है.
You can give the example of Coal India. They charge a good fee.
Yeah. See, and there are colleagues who are entrepreneurs there, just for 2 minutes, sir. Then I'll come back to personal finance, right? But for entrepreneurs, I'll tell you one thing. Don't try and be too greedy. Leave something for investors. And Dhirubhai's strategy was good. He knew that he has to keep coming back to investors. And taking money from public is not a one-time affair. If you want to keep growing every 3 years, 5 years, you'll have to come back to the same people. And remember, in life, you can fool people only some of the time. Right? Very, so this basic principles. I'll give you an example of Infosys, enough of Reliance. Right? Let's talk of Reliance Power specifically. Let's talk of Infosys. I hate saying negative things. Infosys. You know what did Infosys? Infosys made a foreign issue. And he said, I'm going to charge you all $10 per share. The foreign investors said, we'll pay you $12 per share. This is a good company. Narayana Murthy said, I don't want $12. I have done all my projections based on $10. Good, I'm happy you're ready to pay $12. I'm issuing it at $10. Imagine what would have happened there. You are all saying $12. I'm ready to pay. I'm saying, no, I'm okay. I'm giving it to you at $10. You know what happened? People fell off their chair here. They were saying, my God, the promoter here, we are ready to offer him more money. And he's saying, I've done my projections. I don't need this money. You know what would happen then? Subsequently, in such cases, please think, right? Moment that image is built up, the next the people are waiting is primary market से secondary market में कभी जाएगा वो. और secondary market में जाएगा, automatically what people will do is go up and end up buying Infosys shares because the perception is good now. And then who benefits when Infosys shares goes up? Obviously promoters, because who is a major shareholder in the company? This thinking should be there, which very people, unfortunately, you know, and especially in the business community, but things are changing in India. There are some fly-by-night operators. Can you believe it, Banerjee sir? We have cases of missing companies. Companies have come, raised money, and they have gone missing. And there is a CBI inquiry on not missing persons, missing companies. Companies have taken money and they have missed 96 scam. And again, now SEBI has found that some of these rascals have come back into the market. But that's what this is, a much more vigilant SEBI now, right? Thanks to people like Bave, right, Mr. Singh. The guy who changed it all was Damodaran, right? But if you want to know the best regulator in the world, and since there are some MNCs, best regulator in the world, SEBI acha hai, best regulator in the world, some bit of global knowledge, is somebody known as SEC. Securities Exchange Commission, United States. Securities Exchange Commission. And why are they very prominent? One is the legal system is good. And second, please note, I'm taking the next question, sir, just in a minute. But many colleagues wanted some personal finance. Please note, SEC violations are more of criminal complaint. See, there's a difference between civil complaints and criminal complaints. Civil complaint is a matter of court. So I have, right, for example, when I was in industry, ma'am would remember those days, people used to give us PDCs, right? Ma'am is also from SBI Caps, post-dated checks. Right, 90s में post-dated checks देता था, हम लोग check deposit करता था, check bounce होता है. Then you call up the guy saying, sir, आपका check bounce हुआ है. And then he says, अरे Menon, who asked you to deposit the check? अरे PDC आपने मेरे को दिया है और मैं वो डेट पे नहीं deposit करेगा. You should have asked me. Then you go back and say, okay sir, sorry. Now when do I deposit next? You give me a call after 3 days, I'll tell you. Hey, why these guys used to treat us like that? I'll tell you. Because what is the thing that you can do when a check bounces those days? You have to go file a case, and it's a civil offense, right? And case matlab legal law in our country, right? Supreme Court is currently hearing civil cases of 1985. So that shows, you know, and the guys know it on the other side. Now today it is not a civil offense. Today check bouncing is a criminal offense. So today now see how the conversation will go. I'll go back and say, excuse me, your check has bounced. What are you doing next? Are you paying me now or do you want me to lodge a complaint? Now, the moment it becomes a criminal offense, the guy knows that he can go behind bars. Now the tone changes. Cases of 1985. So that shows, and the guys know it on the other side. Now, today it is not a civil offense. Today check bouncing is a criminal offense. So today now see how the conversation will go. I'll go back and say, excuse me, your check has bounced. What are you doing next? Are you paying me now or do you want me to lodge a complaint? The moment it becomes a criminal offense, the guy knows that he can go behind bars. Now the tone changes, right? And please understand, SEC operates on criminal. They found out a guy, right? Again, the name is Rajaratnam. Dear Anuj was talking in the morning. Accidentally, he touched upon insider trading. Right? A banda, right? And some Indians are involved, which I don't want to name. Sad, very sad. Right? Abhi aaj mila main. Let us say I met Rajesh sir and he's a respected senior of Reliance. उन्होंने कुछ ऐसा बता दिया Reliance के बारे में, on basis of which I buy the shares and I profit. It's illegal. Insider trading. Information is not there in the market. Not only sir, even I am guilty. Now they found him. And what did they do? They put him behind bars. And this is the difference. Unfortunately, right, the change from civil to criminal is slowly happening in our country. And remember one, and I want to end this discussion with a joke. Whenever I always joke with my young juniors, if you have a check bouncing case, right, remember that sometimes it's a bailable offense, right? Especially criminal complaints, you can get bail. Then you have to file the police complaint very nicely on a Saturday afternoon. Because, right, for our country, justice sleeps, right, on Sunday. So this guy can't get bail. Unless, obviously, these guys are even more smarter. They get an anticipatory bail and wait for you, right? But the fact is, right, I just thought I should be discussing, since somebody wanted, right, premiums not decided. SEBI only says free pricing. Before I take the next question, I know, sir, I'll start the next round with you. Let me finish this. Dividend. 3 things on dividends, right? From my side, then I want to start the next question answer session. One is known as, let's simplify finance, keep proceeding. One is known as dividend payout ratio. 3 things on dividend from my side, right? What is dividend payout ratio? Dividend payout ratio is, again, let's apply that 90% rule. Let's apply that 90% rule. Dividends are paid out from what? Dividends, thank you. Dividends are paid out from profits. So what is dividend payout ratio? Thank you. It will be dividend divided by PAT into 100. Finish. Dividend payout ratio. What is, it's all over. You said profit. I just gave you the ratio. Thank you. Right? Namita, this is for you. Good companies. We are talking of dividend policies. Dividend payout ratio. Good companies sometimes skip dividends. Name of these companies? Microsoft. 11 years, he never paid a single dollar as dividend. And shareholders, thank you, shareholders were happy. An Indian example, for every global example, an Indian example is Mittal Bharti. 7 years, he never paid his shareholders. And shareholders were happy, though they did not get dividends. Why? Because Bill Gates could convince the shareholders saying, I'm not giving you dividends. Let the money remain with me. I'll give it to you. Rather than giving it to you, let it remain with me. I'll reinvest. Today we have got the entire world where we can grow these products, where we can grow the markets. Shareholders were happily skipping dividend because what they were looking at is shareholders get reward from companies in 2 ways. One is in the form of dividends. Second, in good companies, share price appreciates. So they were looking at benefits through capital gains. Typically, you can skip dividend, but in India, what companies typically do is they don't skip dividend because shareholders also are, right, dividend nahi aaya, something is wrong with the company. That's how the thinking goes. So what companies do is, the companies say, okay, let's maintain our dividend rate. Second thing, right? Second, 3 things in dividend. Second thing is dividend rate, which we already discussed. What is dividend rate? Dividend rate is nothing but dividend as a percentage on face value. Excuse me, I'm giving you 400% dividend. 400% of what? Of face value of 10. That means how much I'm giving you? I'm giving you, right? 40 rupees. right? I'm giving you 40 rupees. Now I've got a question. Is dividend rate important? Important. What is more important than dividend rate? My last thing, right? What is more important than dividend rate? Dividend payout, dividend rate, and the third thing, right, which is extremely important. Dividend rate important, but sorry to say, don't give it too much of attention. What is more important than dividend rate is dividend yield. Simple life. Life is so simple. Three things in dividend. Payout, dividend by PAT. Dividend rate that we discussed 3 times. Thank you. Is always on face value. One sec. Now comes the main thing. Mr. Pankaj is standing up and saying, Manan, you are saying 400% dividend rate. That 400% is on 10 rupees. What is yield? Yield means return. I am an engineer. Right? Productivity. करते आए हम लोग ये सब. What is yield? Yield is nothing but your productivity return. कितना मिला, कितना invest करने से. If you talk to an investor, they say, how much am I getting by investing? How much? So what is dividend yield? Dividend yield is dividend. Thank you, sir. Dividend divided by investment price. If you already invested, if you are contemplating investing, it will be right current market price. So here it is. Excuse me, you said 400%. Thank you, Mr. Pankaj. I got 400%, but कितना आया dividend? Dividend आया कितना उस पे? 400% of 10 calculations are here, which is 40 rupees. But you know what, Yashwant sir? This company, I purchased the company shares at, let's take, thank you, 800. Okay, at 800 rupees. Dividend yield is how much? When you do investments, dividend rate matters in corporate finance. Thank you. Yeah. Right. Dividend rate matters. What matters more is dividend yield. At what price? Dividend rate important. What matters more is dividend yield. 3 concepts. Dividend payout. I've gone, finish. We can take a break and continue with cash flow. And the session is through, but I want to take questions. Sir has been waiting. Dividend payout, dividend by PAT. Dividend rate, face value. बड़ा दिखेगा 800%, 900%. अच्छा है sir. On what face value? For you, what is more important is for an analyst, right? Thank you. For an analyst, what is more important is for a stakeholder, dividend yield. How much did I get by investing? How much? Please note, for a company to have a high dividend yield, not only should dividends be high, investment price also should be lower. It's a right thank you. It's a numerator denominator function. Before I take questions, which is always a pleasure, I want you all to think about an issue in the tea break. First, I want to take questions, then we'll take a tea break. You have to tell me, think about it. Which are the companies where you can expect a very high dividend payout? Which are the companies where you can expect a very high dividend payout? Okay? And you have to tell me with logic. So you can't just say Colgate or you can't just say Owens. You have to tell me with logic, right? You can't just say, right, SBI. मैं पूछेगा logic क्या है? Okay? So think about it. I'll give you the answer. But which are those companies which can give you high dividends? I gave you an example of 0% dividend, by the way. Microsoft, I repeat, Bharti, right? Companies where shareholders are sure or believe, not sure, are believe that the future is going to be good. Companies may skip dividends. Anything on dividends. Before that, sir, you put up your hand. Yes, sir.
Talking about the cash,
Yeah.
whatever the surplus cash after dividend is actually the cash flow. It's where that cash is deposited.
Absolutely. Yeah. Ultimately, it reflects, very good noting, it reflects in your net worth.
Yeah, it reflects the net worth.
Absolutely.
In the form of FD, whatever they do.
Sure. Yes, Farid sir.
Sir, is there any rule for dividend that company should declare dividend, or it is on the hand of promoter?
Farid sir, you have to remember one thing now. India earlier had all these rules where not more than this, 20% dividend, 30% dividend. Today, Farid sir, let me make it a blanket. Sir has been very kind to me as a blanket. That's why these workshops. Today, everything goes as per promoter discretion and shareholders. So is there no rules, right? Thank you. Specific answer to your question. Thank you again. Company can give dividends starting from 0 to 100% of payout. So whatever, right, they may not pay dividends, or they may pay the entire PAT as dividends, right? So is there any rules again? Thank you. No rules for premium, no rules for dividend. Only thing is you have to keep taking shareholders' approval. You have to keep taking shareholders' approval. And the more shareholders are aware, they'll come back and ask questions. Like, right, there's always something known as, right, there's something known as AGMs, general body meetings, where shareholders come and vote on these things, sir. Yes, Rajesh, sir. I'll take all questions. One sec. Yep. Yes, you can have another reserve which is known as debenture redemption reserve. So I've got a loan which I have to repay after 3 years. So I can create a reserve only to repay that, which is known as redemption reserve. Redemption means to pay back. So you can have another reserve which is known as redemption reserve. Yes, one sec. I'll come in this order with your permission. Pankaj ji?
Yes, sir. Unlisted company,
Huh.
one is a private limited, one is a limited.
Huh.
What is the difference?
Oh, very fundamental question, and it's got nothing to do with finance, but good question. So, basic form of any firm is proprietorship. You go beyond proprietorship, you can have partnership. The problem with I'm open for any questions. If I know, I'll answer. That's the way I have. Problem with proprietorship and partnership is, right, and Ashwin is a dear colleague. So we are partners. If a partnership suffers losses, both of us are individually liable. So then they found that, no, we want to have a business entity which is separate from the promoters. That's how the company came into. Now the company, there are two. One is private and public. Private means a smaller entity. Listed, right? It means the number of shareholders will be limited. Now you can have within that, you can have public limited. That means the number of shareholders will be higher. Within public limited, there are two forms, listed and unlisted. So if you ask me, first proprietorship, then partnership, then, right, private company, then public limited company, then listed public limited company. This is the entire thing. आज एक नया चीज भी वो लोग start कर रहे हैं इंडिया में, which is known as LLP, Limited Liability Partnership. वो जो मैंने बोला पार्टनरशिप में हम लोग दोनों लायबल है. In LLP form, what will happen is partners are not liable for the losses. लेकिन LLP in India has not taken off. वो खाली बात कर रहे हैं, अभी तक वो छोटा ही रह गया. Did I answer your question, sir? Pleasure. Okay, Anuj ji, I'll come to you. Yeah.
Conceptually, dividend instead is a distribution of profit to the shareholder.
Absolutely.
Shareholder means when I buy a share of any company or
You are a shareholder.
I'm a shareholder.
Yes.
That means that this profit is distributing, and you're saying that the promoter is having his own decision whether to distribute this to us or not. So how do they get the money then?
बेटे वही पूछा ना. Farid ji asked the same question to me. Promoters can't decide, right? In fact, somebody immediately said AGM, right? If it is a shareholders listed.
But everybody cannot be invited in that body.
So then, if you everybody cannot be. Everybody is invited. Ulta bolo, right? Right? Everybody do not attend. Then you can, right?
You can submit a proxy form, it comes along with the report. That proxy form contains the voting part, voting slip, voting rights.
So, thank you.
So we have to go by the vote then.
Right? No, अभी इसके बाद और एक मेरे को आपको बताना है. Now you're asking very good question. The new Companies Act says don't attend, don't submit proxies also. You can vote by electronic means. एक mail भेज के खत्म कर दो, right? But again, Anuj, the point is how many of us are aware, right? Right.
They will not distribute the balance sheet also. Now it will come.
See, ma'am, if you ask me, in 20 years I've seen that shareholder governance has improved. But people who want to take the system for a ride can still take the system for a ride. But investors are becoming more and more focused. That I can tell you. Thanks. Yes.
Sir, some companies do not turn up with the dividend, but they come up with the right issues. Now, those right issue amount is to be put in it's taken off from the reserves?
No. Rights is additional money. So again, you will break it up into issued capital and premium.
So it
Same.
will be deducted from the reserves?
And deducted day.
Put in the other
Between right and vote.
I think bonus, he's talking about bonus.
Yeah. rights is a, right,
Sorry, bonus issue, correct.
no problem, sir. I'm not here to find mistakes. In fact, my pleasure. First, I want to answer rights. Rights is no problem, sir. Rights is a way of raising money. Extra, right?
Existing holder only.
Right. Rights is raising money. Now, your question now is not on rights, it's on bonus. Bonus is instead of giving dividends, company is giving shares. Okay. So, it can, right, typically bonus is given free.